MTDCNC are at EMO 2019 and I'm privileged to be on the Roaders stand. Now, I'm looking at this demo, Oliver, and it's one of the nicest demos I've seen in all of EMO 2019. Tell me about the machine tool.
Yeah, hello. Thank you for this chance to explain it to the machines. It's a Roaders machine RxU 1001 with quattro guide with a unique combination of rigidity and dynamics, which allows roughing like we had seen before that with an indexable tool, and now high-speed 5-axis simultaneous finishing with outstanding accuracy in surface finishing due to the dynamics with a linear drive and all axes on the machine.
The roughing really illustrated the rigidity of the machine, but now you're scanning and you're really illustrating the capabilities of the machine. The speed of that is extremely quick. What kind of surface finish and accuracy can you actually achieve?
Oh, that depends on a lot of parameters, especially of the tools, but everything is fine. We can reach at 5-axis simultaneous machining on parts like this, plus minus 5 microns accuracy, and surface finish depends a lot on the tool and the spindle, and there we can reach much less than a tenth of a micron surface finish RA. In some cases, 10 nanometer surface finish RA.
With components and the complexity of the components continuously evolving, the technological advancements of machine tools continuously evolving, how important is it to have software to be able to manufacture and program components such as this?
Yeah, of course, that's a good question. To be efficient and fast in the machining, good and sufficient strategies have to be selected for the milling, and for there, of course, sophisticated software is needed to make it easy and fast, because the programming time is also expensive at this milling. And for this, the right strategy have to be chosen by the operator, and there we need a good CAM system, which is easy to operate, fast to program, and especially gives cutter passes with high accuracy, because the machine cannot be better in the quality than the CAM program gives the pass.
What CAM package do you use for this particular application?
Yeah, this part is programmed by the Power Mill package, especially for the 5-axis simultaneous passes. We have very good strategies you support, Power Mill supports for this.
How long have you been working with Autodesk?
Oh, Autodesk, or in former times Delcam Power Mill, was the first 3D program we introduced decades ago when Power Mill was introduced in the market, or DUCT, the first software we had, and we love to work with that. We have 8 or 9 programs in our technical team to work with Power Mill or Autodesk
and now
software for this kind of application.
And how important is it to a company such as yours to have partnerships such as this and for that level of collaboration?
That's very, very important, because we rely on quality and strategies of the CAM system. So we need direct contact to the support of the system to get best out of the CAM, because we want to show the best what the machine can do. And for this, the program system is very, very important.
Is the software being continuously evolving with the technological advancements of your machine tool?
Yeah, we see that in the strategies of 5-axis machining, where a lot of development has been done to make it easier and more efficient and have better strategies for simultaneous 5-axis machining. This comes more and more into the market.
Oliver, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for being here.